Okay. Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna do my bike check because I haven't done one yet and my bike is pretty much done, I would say. So we'll start up top with we'll start with grips. So I have the S&M Hoder grips. They're really soft, but they wear out fast, like right here. I don't know, you can't see it right now. They wear out fast. I got them in clear. They're not so clear anymore. And then I have the S&M Hoder bars. They're 9-inch rise by 30 wide, and they're trans green. I have the Stolen Bikes stem top load in blue, like a lightning blue, chrome blue. Then I have the Primo Churchill headset. It's really nice. It spins really smooth.
Here, spin it once.
Okay. How am I gonna do this? Like this. I don't know. I can't really spin it up here, but it's really smooth.
He tightened it down a lot, and it still spins like really good.
Yeah, I have it really tight, so I make sure I don't get any wiggle in it. And then I have a Fit what? Just a Fit
fork.
a Fit fork. In red.
Big meaty fork.
Yeah. And I have the Thermalite pegs. The PC pegs. I have a United Supreme complete rim, like hub spokes rim. They're really, I like them. My spokes are loose right now, I need to tighten them. And then I just have my United Direct tires. They're, I don't know, they're wearing down, but they're pretty nice. They're pretty sticky. And then I have my 2016 United Supreme frame in raw. And it's a 20.25 or yeah, 20.25 long. I have Mission Transit cranks in chrome. And United pedals. And then I have a Shadow half sprocket guard, which I don't know, not a lot of people ride these, but I don't know, I thought it'd be cool, so I got it. It works pretty good. And then I have a Poverty seat post and a S&M, or not S&M, SE pivotal seat, yeah. I don't know, I think is this a KMC chain? Yeah, it's a KMC, just regular KMC chain. And then here we can turn my bike on.
Alright.
I have another Thermalite peg, PC peg, a Shadow hub guard, and then another complete United rim. And this cassette is extremely loud.
Sounds so good.
It's extremely loud. And I have the same tire in the back, the United Direct tire. Again, I like these tires a lot. I'm probably gonna get them again. But yeah, that's pretty much everything on my bike. It's very different, very colorful. I don't know, I kind of wanted to just do like a bunch of different colored parts on my bike. I don't know, it's something different. So, yeah. See you guys later. Overall, I forgot to say my bike weighs like 24 pounds. It's pretty light. It's pretty good, it has good balance.